What is Windows PowerShell scripting? PowerShell is a scripting language that can help you automate computer tasks simply and reliably. Find out how to use it to start building script for your Windows PC. To start making simply PowerShell script on Windows, you need to know about three things: single function commands, specific the what, when, where, and how to. Commands takes the output of your and it's connects it to other and function. Combining all there, you can make simply script to help automate tasks. Here an example if line showing how you can combine several to achieve a task. To run this in PowerShell, you would use something like this command. Like any scripting language, PowerShell comes with commands to manipulate object and perform various tasks. These fundamental commands within PowerShell are known as command lets are small single function commands used in the PowerShell environment using the Shell extension. They are lightweight pieces of code that execute quicker than function due to their compiled natural. There are thousands of available on PowerShell. You do not need to learn all of them. You can start by learning a few basic PowerShell, then keep learning as you go through your scripting journey to view the that are already installed on your computer run. If you scan through the result, you will notice that the few verb non-naming convention. This make it easier to understand what a certain does. For example, get command gives a lot of commands available in PowerShell. Get process gets you the processor that are currently active, and copy item copies one or more files to a specific directory. Also come bundled with extensive conventional that includes example usage, introductional and explanation of their functionality. To find out more about a specific and how to use it, run can accept to vary their behavior when you run a or function. You can provide parameter value to specify what, when, where, and how each PowerShell command run. For example, get process will get and list of all the active process within your operating system. But what if you only want to get a specific process? You can do so using for example, to get all Slack process, you can use the name parameters with the get process. You will then see only use process with the name Slack. Some are positional, which means their name is a option. In this case, get press name Slack and get process Slack do the something. Each will accept different type of use the get help command to view the accepted parameter of a. In the section, you will see a list of possible ways you can run the given. In this case, the get process accept parameters such as name, id, computer name, file version, and other common. These symbols here signify parameter that accept input will